So if you have been trading for 2 years plus now and you are still making these mistakes, guys, profitability is really, really far from you guys. Number one is entering into a trade without knowing your risk, not knowing the amount you want to risk. All right. You cannot enter a trade guessing how much you want to risk. Just thinking it in your head. Some of you know the lot size to use, all right, and then you from that lot size you know how much you are going to be losing, but it's not sustainable that way, guys. It's just because your account is little now, that's why you can predict how much you are going to be losing. All right, it's not it's not sustainable on the long run because uh you are going to be trading larger capital that are big. Do you understand? So you will need to calculate your risk in the proper way if you must last in this game, guys. All right. So stop overthinking it. Stop putting the lot size in your head that, oh, this is the one I'm going to be using constantly. Since this account is like this, I already have it in my mind and all that. Some days you lose this amount, some days you lose less, some days you lose high and all that. You cannot be consistent that way, guys. Yeah, so baby pips calculator is the best way to go, guys. You go there, you calculate your risk, you put the amount you have in your account, you put your stop loss, you put how much you want to risk, and just like that, the lot size is being suggested to you or recommended to you, and then you use it, guys. Very, very powerful. That is one powerful risk management strategy right there. And then number two is not checking the news at all when analyzing the market or when coming into your session to trade. You don't even know that there's a news by 2:30. You don't know there's a news by 1 p.m. and you just go to place a buy, to place a sell, and like that you just see a spike against you and your account is blown, your money is gone, right? So this mistake I just shared with you now is something that I have not really, it has not really hurt me per se. Why? Because I've learned from the advice of mentors, I've learned from the mistakes of mentors, what they did in the past that had hurt them. So why repeat the same mistake when you can learn from the mistake of others? Do you understand? So when placing your trade next time, maybe at the beginning of the week, let's say Monday, as the market opens, go to Forex Factory, right? Or investing.com. Check the news. Red folder is for high impact news. White folder is holiday. Yellow like that is low impact. Just study it, guys, and then you know for yourself that, okay, this is a roadblock here, these are bumps on the way here. Let me follow like the let me you know how to approach the market on that particular day or for the week ahead. So that will be number two, guys. Look out for high impact news any day you want to trade, guys, to avoid stories. All right, number three is no stop loss, trading without a stop loss, guys. You cannot call yourself a professional trader, a real trader, without putting stop loss or without paying attention to stop loss. All right, some people call it mental stop loss. I know that if price gets here, I'm going to just exit and all that. It doesn't make sense that way. You want to become a zombie where you just stay at your monitor looking at it all day. No, you want to go do other things, guys. Or if you don't want to put your stop loss that way, or you just prefer just risking everything and all that, why not? There are some brokers that allow you transfer from your wallet to the main broker account or something like that. So you can say, okay, you deposit $100 and you just you just transfer $20 per trade. Even if you don't put stop loss, that the whole money there becomes the stop loss, guys, becomes the risk, right? And then number four will be changing strategy. You don't want to be changing strategy up and down, left, right, center. It's not healthy for your trading. If you have been trading for 2+ years now, guys, you should have mastered a system. You should have mastered something that works. Do you understand? That's where you become a master of your craft. All right, not jumping from 10 strategy, 5 strategy that you just patch here and there. All right, it is not healthy at all. It is better that you find one, you tweak it, refine it until you master it and it becomes your own, guys. That way you go far. Since no strategy is 100%, guys, why jump from one strategy to the other? You can make that one strategy a high win rate when you have stayed with it for long, you have worked on it for long, and it becomes that strategy that works best for you. Do you understand? And then uh, number five will be getting angry on losses. Getting angry on losses. This one, guys, traders. My God, when starting out, emotions can be all over the place, guys. But when you are long in the game, guys, do you know that losses become now normal? Is it that you're not going to be hurt, but you're going to be hurt? You're going to be, oh, it's another day, guys. It's another day of a loss, and then you take it, and then you still go again. That's what makes us traders, guys. You must position your heart, prepare your heart for the worst, right? You must position your heart for the worst. You should know that this trade you entered can be a loss, and you should be ready to accept it. You should be ready. So yeah, you should just get ready for the worst, guys. And then some are always angry at losses. When they take a loss, no one can come close to them again. Children will be angry. Children will be running away from them. They know when you are in a losing streak. They know when you have taken a loss for the day. It's not supposed to be like that, guys. But when you grow in trading, when you keep journeying, these things become normal, guys. And then the last but not the least will be entering or exiting trades in drawdown. All right, you have to understand that it takes a while for any trade to go in your direction. Sometimes trades don't just spike in your direction just like that. All right, it will take time. It will take time. I'm just watching the minute time is going. I do not want this video to be very, very long. But guys, if you must last long in this game, put your set your trades and go do other things. Leave it to run. Leave it to run to your take profit, guys. Do you understand? Sometime after you have exited in that drawdown, you come back and you just discover that, oh, this trade letter went in my direction, and you are beating yourself, you are angry at yourself. It's not necessary, guys. Just place your trades and come back in hours time instead of looking and checking it up and down. Hey, what the next candle doing? Is not healthy that way. That way you get to make silly mistakes. Do you understand? Now, if you are thinking while on a trade, you're already wrong. That's why trading plan is very important. Guys, you want to subscribe, you want to like this video, because so many to talk about, but I don't have time to stay around for long, guys. So, guys, you want to subscribe. So many valuable information will be coming on this page, guys. Yes, so many valuable information. Yeah. That is it, guys. So you have to allow your trades to run. Let it run to your take profit. Let it run to your take profit. Do you understand? Stop exiting too early when you are in a drawdown. When you're in a drawdown, and stop exiting too early when trade is in your direction to your take profit, guys. Prop firm recommendation is in my description below. Good funded Naira trader, guys. You want to use these prop firms to scale up your trading. Currently, I don't trade any broker at the moment. These two prop firm, I'll be leaving the link in my description below. Go sign up with them and start making money, guys. If you want to see this educational content, always, you want to consider subscribing and liking, guys. I'm going to catch you on my next video, guys. Until then, guys, stay safe and let's make this money together, guys. Peace out.